Hello and welcome to Rehau, RAUVISIO Brilliant Laminate Pasting Tutorial. Measure the board thickness and length to ensure that it is of the same size of the Brilliant Laminate sheet. Using a glue applicator, apply the PVC to wood adhesive on both the surfaces of the board. Clean the Brilliant Laminate sheet with compressed air and paste the sheet on the glued surface of the board. To ensure perfect bonding, apply masking tape. Now apply the glue on the other side of the board and paste the balancing sheet. If you follow a manual process, place a board on top of the laminate pasted board and apply even pressure on all sides. The pressing application can be done using a cold press machine also, with a stack of laminated boards. Remove the masking tape and remove the protective peel coat from the surface of the laminated board.